All right, so I'm going to make a video on showing how to use the video links that are found within Computer Cuisine Deluxe for each recipe. Okay, so to start off with this example, I am on allrecipes.com and I'm on this recipe for browned butter banana bread. So this is just an example. So let's say I copied and pasted the recipe into Computer Cuisine, or let's say I just particularly like this video on how to make banana bread and I want to carry it over and sort of bookmark it but have it within my Computer Cuisine Deluxe database. How do I do that? Okay, well, within the main menu, you have these little sort of sub-menus that allow you to do recipe notes as well as photos. And this is the one for videos. So how do we get videos into Computer Cuisine Deluxe? It's fairly easy. So all you have to do is find a video that you like. And for example, I'm going to pull this one off of recipes.com and let's click on watch, and fingers crossed that there's not an ad, but I have a feeling there will be. So let's click on watch. So we click on that and here comes an ad most likely, but let's say we have, it could not be more perfect. It's for spam. So after we watch this ad, I'll let it go and I'm going to mute it. But let's say this is a recipe that we want to pull into Computer Cuisine. All right, spam could not be a better ad. All right, so this is the recipe video that's starting. So I'm going to just pause that so we don't have to listen to the music. But all we have to do is, now that this is the recipe that's starting, we just want to copy the link to this recipe. And it's up here in your browser's URL window. So we're just going to select all, and I'll just show you that I'm selecting copy. So I'm copying this link. This is the long link that goes to this exact video page. All right, so then we're going to go back into Computer Cuisine Deluxe, and you can add up to 4 video links for each recipe, and these will play in this window right here. So I'm going to go ahead. This is the link that I just copied from my web browser, Safari. I've just copied the link, and I'm going to now click in this window, and I'm just going to select paste. I'm right clicking, by the way, but you can also hit Command V, of course, or you can go up here and select paste. So those are your shortcuts, and these are for anyone who's a little new to either the Mac or Windows. So I'm going to just right click. So I'm going to select paste right here. And once I select paste, there's this ugly link. I click off of it. And now this link is now saved. So how do I watch it? Well, if you ever want to watch any of these videos in this window, now from within Computer Cuisine Deluxe, you just click on the play button. We'll probably see another ad most likely, but here, let's see. Oh, and it's for spam again. Nice. Anyway, this gives you a direct link, which is saved in your database. And I'm just going to pause this because you get the idea by now. Wow, that spam looks good. Anyway, this will keep this video link. And what's nice is that it's not embedding the video and blog and just bloating down your database, so to speak. It's just simply a link. So you can add up to 4 links, and it really doesn't add anything to your database, just a little line of code, of text. So this can be any type of video file. So let's say I previously went to YouTube and found another different perfectly moist banana bread video. And let's say you really want this one, or you want a reference video of something else that you like. Well, you use the same process here. Just go up to the URL window and you want to select this link to your YouTube video. So I have everything selected, and I'm going to right click here and select copy. Now I'm going to go back into the Computer Cuisine Deluxe window, and I'm just going to click on reference link 2, and I'm going to right click and select paste. Once I select paste, there's the link, and so on. You could do up to 4. And now let's say I want to watch this one. I just hit play here, and now within this window, of course there's another ad, isn't there? Let's mute this. But this is again the video from YouTube on how to do this exact banana bread. So this is a great way of not having multiple bookmarks in different web browsers and such, and it just allows you to go right to the content you want that's related to each recipe. So wanted to show you how to do that because some people may not understand how to actually play the video or how they just show up in the browser, but it's really nice because it doesn't bloat your database and you can have up to 4 links. Okay, hope that helps.